In Business Central, vendors play a central role in the purchasing process. They provide the products and services that our company offers to customers. In this demo, I will show how to set up a new vendor in Business Central. To create a new vendor, go to Search field, type vendor, and select vendor link. For quick access, you can also bookmark it. By this way, it will appear in the navigation pane so you don't have to search for it every time. Click vendor and this will open vendor list page. Here, click new to open a blank vendor card. If vendor templates are available, Business Central will ask you to choose one. These templates are useful because they will save time and keep vendor information consistent since they have include details that are same or often the same for vendors of the certain type. When we select the template, the information it contains is automatically added to our new vendor card. For this demo, let's choose cash payment vendor cash. First, we will fill in the name of vendor. We can click on Show More to see more fields. On General tab, we can also assign the purchaser and responsibility center. If there is any field that you are not sure about, you can always refer to the quick explanation in the tooltips. Next, under Address and Contact, we will enter the vendor contact details such as address, phone numbers, and email. Under Invoicing Setup, we can define how this vendor will post to General Ledger. For example, the vendor posting group will specify the payable account. The General Business posting group will determine the account to use for purchases. If the vendor operates in a different currency, we can set a default currency code. So all transactions with this vendor will use that currency unless we specify otherwise. On the Payment Fast tab, we can define important details such as prepayment percentage, the payment terms code, and the payment method code. We can also assign a priority. Once saved, we return to the vendor list where we can now see the newly created vendor added to the list. And that's it. We successfully created a new vendor in the Business Central.